This is the motion activated portable light. There's the model number 1718605. I got this as a gift, I think at Christmas time. It's been here for a while, so just get around to it. So these two portable lights, they are motion detected, and on the back it has a Type-C USB charger, and you can see that you can put it on auto or on all the time or off, and it lasts up to 6 months. I think if you had it on auto, it detects when you come in the room or something, so it'll last longer. So we're going to look at this today, see what it does, see how bright it is, how useful it is. So let's open it up. The little piece here. Manual. What this is? Oh, this is for sticking it. 3M tape here, and then information card. Here's the two lights. That's where you charge it. So this is the on off auto. I don't know if you get different settings here. Lumens are. I'm gonna try it out. Not sure what these buttons are for. Maybe to change the lumens. See if there's any power on this. No, there is. It's got some power to it. Let's see if you can change the lumens. Yeah. So different lumens you can change. So shut that off for now. So these stickers go on here. They're magnetic here. And then you use your 3M to stick it on a ceiling or on a wall or something. Each have one. I think that's pretty strong. Take a look at the charger here. All kinds of stuff in here. Oh, they got, these are USB-C. USB. They come with two of these, one for each lamp. They've got screws. They actually got two chargers. Wow, two chargers. So this would plug into, like, you can Type-C. You go Type-C to Type-C, or you can convert it and go to USB. So they have adapters for both of them. So have two chargers for both of them. Second one here. So Type-C to Type-C or Type-C to USB. Here's the manual, and it tells you all the information you know. So here's the switch. So it's off, auto, or on. So when you have an auto, it'll auto detect motion. If you're in a room, that's why it'll last 6 months, because you don't use it all the time. I imagine if you had it on all the time, it wouldn't last 6 months. So they do have a side light here, side light on the thing, controlled by these function buttons here. And you can turn like 3000K, 4500K, 6000K. I know that sure that's lumens, but it is a side light. And a top light here talks about connecting the USB Type-C, right from USB Type-C to Type-C connector, or you can have the adapter USB-C to Type USB. and it has instructions. So the metal plate, you can actually use a screw and hook it up to a ceiling. Uses this expansion screw anchor, and then I'll just give us information about how bright it is here. So we're going to try it out to see how good these lights are. So it has a Type-C charger, and it has the adapter from C to USB. So plug it in, and it says it'll show red and show green when it's fully charged. So plug both of them in. Showing red here. So it's partially charged. Same with this one, red. Let them charge up for a while. So they're both fully charged here. I'm not sure how long it took to charge them up, but the light is green on both of them. Comes with an anchor, comes with a screw, so if you want to anchor this, say to your ceiling, your gyprock or your drywall ceiling, this will go inside here, and then just on your ceiling. So this will stay flat. It's kind of beveled here so that on the magnets, and also comes with a 3M tape here. You can stick that to wherever you want, and then this goes down to here. So let's install the plates. We're using the screw to attach the plates to the bottom of this 2x6, and they're about, I would say, maybe 2 feet apart. So install these two plates. Now that'll hold the portable lights. Attach the portable lights. They are magnetized on this steel plate on the 2x6. So I'm going to install them just in front of my electrical panel. I want to do some work in my electrical panel. Need extra lights. I have both lights on motion detected. One light's on there now, and the second light's on. You can see that it's really bright here. I can access my electrical panel, do some work here. Very nice. Check out these portable lights here. They have a magnet that holds it together, even a bit of a groove here so that you can put the screw in and to hold up. Has on, off, and auto, 3 different settings. 3 different lumens, 3000, 4500, and 6000. So check them out. Please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great one, people.